How to fake green line on phone screen. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all open up your Play Store. Then tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Now type green line app. Then tap on search at the bottom right corner. Now find green line prank. Now simply tap on install. Now wait for the app to install. After installing simply tap on open. Then tap on grant. Now find green line. Simply tap on it. Now enable this toggle, then simply go back, then tap on activate. Now go back to the home screen and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.